Hi, my name is Penn Shelton. My field placement is at a nonprofit rehabilitation center for substance abuse and behavioral addiction, specifically also for gambling. It's a Jewish organization, but it doesn't serve only Jewish people, but it does have a religious element integrated into the treatment process, making it a somewhat unique program. Also including that it treats gambling addiction. It's one of the few treatment programs in California to do so. It also works with alternative sentencing to parole prisoners with substance abuse issues into treatment settings for reintegration. I'm pretty excited to work with diverse populations and work with people with a history of trauma, imprisonment, and complex behavioral issues that will require, you know, creative as well as integrative approaches and working with them and being effective and helping them overcome their problems. I expect that opportunity to practice new clinical skills that I learned in my classes so far at Widener. I do feel that what I've learned has benefited me as a clinician and will serve clients better, and I'm excited to put that into practice. Little concerned that maybe the agency, because of the size, is maybe not so well organized, and in a lot of ways I sort of have to figure out for myself what I can do in terms of filling my role as a social work intern, since we're not doing therapy yet. I'm waiting for an assignment of a caseload for counseling clients, and I'm also a licensed substance abuse counselor, so I'm fortunate I'm able to serve in that capacity as well. But I do believe that this setting is going to challenge me because it offers more complex cases and different population than I may be used to working with. So I'm looking forward to it, and I'm looking forward to hopefully having some good supervision to help me manage the difficulties that I might encounter. Thanks, looking forward to working with y'all.